Hi, my name is Marie and I'm a museum educator at Crystal Bridges. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a colorful mask. This project is inspired by Ronald Jackson's "In a Day She Became the Master of Her House," which you learned about in the previous video. Find these materials from the My Museum kit: a mask, tissue paper, decorative paper, a glue stick, tacky glue pen, white paper, and a pencil. With permission from an adult, find scissors from your home.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
Use the pencil and white paper to sketch out ideas for what you want your mask to look like. What colors and shapes best represent you? Choose the tissue paper squares you want for the background color of the mask. Use the glue stick to apply the tissue paper to the mask. Make sure to not leave any gaps so the white background does not show through. Find decorative paper that best reflects your personality. Cut out shapes from the decorative paper. You can make the same shape repeated several times to create a pattern, or choose to make many different shapes. Arrange these shapes on the mask and glue them down with a tacky glue pen. Hold the decorative paper down for 10 seconds to make sure it sticks to the mask. When your mask is dry, try it on. Look at yourself in the mirror. How do you feel when you're wearing it? Notice the colors and patterns you used. If you want to make any changes or try a new idea, use the additional mask in your kit to experiment. When you're done, make sure to clean up your space and put your unused supplies back in your My Museum kit. I hope you had fun, and thanks so much for making art with me today.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!